The damage done thus far by the rains and the storms within the past 6 months has wreaked havoc on the United States, and right now the U.S. military is saying that it needs $5 billion to fix all the damages, and they need $1.2 billion of that by June if they are going to repair Tyndall Air Force Base and Offutt Air Force Base. In a lot of these areas that took on hurricane damage in Florida, as well as the areas inundated with floodwater right now throughout Nebraska and other regions. Now, as you can see in this image here, a lot of these areas still underwater. Many of their sites affected big time. Now, militarily, strategically, it makes me wonder if or how deeply anyone ever looked into these situations before they ever even built a base in some of these areas. Raises questions. And at this point, the money is just stacking up through the roof. $5 billion to fix the damage done. This is just part of the issue. What happens with the food shortage and then the economy and everything else down the road that many people are not even seeing right now? We also have to look at this floodwater situation. Has wreaked havoc thus far, but I mean, spring is just getting underway. A lot of that snow hasn't even melted off in the mountains. When that happens, throughout the next few weeks, into the next month or so, we could see extreme flooding. Matter of fact, the NOAA put out a warning on just that. So you put all these things together, it's not looking good right now in terms of what this country is going through from weather events and the cost of recovering from them. And we don't even know where that's going to be in terms of the loss of food and grain and everything else because of this flooding thus far. We're just going to have to wait and see over time as those numbers come in how high this bill stacks up. But this is what they're saying thus far in terms of this. Wanted to make mention of it. I'll leave a link below. It's been Dabu7.